We wouldn't have this house if it wasn't for you.
Greg has done an awesome job, above and beyond. I would highly recommend him to anyone.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Greg Claxton with the Claxton Group and Florida VIP Realty. I am your relocation expert, your lifetime Florida resident and 20+ year veteran helping people buy and sell real estate. So really appreciate you. Hey, hit the like button below, subscribe to my channel. Weekly I do updates and I'd be happy to answer any questions you might have below. Today we are featuring a new listing of mine at 8209 Snowy Egret in the preserve at Panther Ridge. This beautiful home is around 3,500 square feet and features 4-bedroom, 3 baths, beautiful pool, and an awesome lot of 1.25 acres, estate lot with nothing behind it but a beautiful lake. So check it out. We're just gonna fly by. It's got this awesome, and I'm using the term awesome a lot because this is really a home that is special. All right, cool feature about this home. Some of you, very hard to find. So if you have toys or cars or multiple family members that need vehicles to park, or just motorcycles, boats, trailers, you name it. To the left here, we have a 2-car garage with lots of space. Another 2-car garage to the left. Very rare and hard to find. You see all the lush landscaping, the palm trees. The bonus room is in the back left-hand corner here. Awesome location for the media room, office. Turn it into another bedroom, and lots of options with this home. Got a free-form pool. You can see that behind the home here with a big cage. Let me show you back here real quick. Check out the lake. So got preserve and lake area right behind the house, and we're gonna go inside. So let's go ahead and fly. Look at that driveway. Just that driveway up, palm trees everywhere, lush landscaping. Definitely the Florida vibe, lifestyle estate home on 1.25 acres. That's a dream house for anybody. So if you're looking for space to spread out, need those 4-car garage, this is a great option for you. Got a newer roof, newer ACs, 3 AC units. And these aren't just any AC units, these are top-notch AC units. So schedule is showing below. Call me. My number is 941-685-2609, and I'm going to take like 4 minutes when I see you again, and we are going to go through this house in 4 minutes. Believe it or not, that includes the pool, the bonus room, the 4 bedrooms. It's going to be fast, so hopefully you stick around for that. And then, of course, if you want to see it in person, we can do that for you too. So thanks again for tuning in. Stand right by. I'll be right back. Thanks so much. Welcome back, and thank you for joining me today. We are at 8209 Snowy Egret here in the preserve at Panther Ridge. Got to check out this property. Stay till the end. Count how many times I say amazing, because this home is amazing. If you're an agent watching this, send this to your client. They want to come see it just to get a quick walkthrough. Let me know. Scheduling is very easy. My phone number is below. If you don't have an agent, I'd be happy to schedule a showing so you can see this beautiful home. First things first, this driveway is just awesome. Look how long this is. You got palm trees on both sides. 1.25 acres here of an estate home. And if you watched earlier, see from the air, I showed you the 4-car garage. To the left you have a 2-car. To the right you have a 2-car. And this big courtyard area upon arrival for your double front doors. This home is awesome. Very well maintained property. Beautiful columns. Let's go inside. Okay. I'm going to time myself at 4 minutes, starting about in 10 seconds, okay? And that countdown starts now. All right, welcome inside this light and bright home. Look at this driveway. I just can't get over it. I want a driveway like this. It's a beautiful driveway. To your left, when you first walk in, you have your formal dining room, which is very airy and open. It's not too closed off. And then you walk into your gathering area that overlooks this beautiful pool, sitting area, and the backyard. One of the great features about this home is that the master bedroom has a walkway, a walk-through before you get to the master, so it's off from the main living area, which makes it really nice. And then, of course, I mentioned earlier, this is the large den that's basically connected to the master suite side. Checking out the pool bathroom, the half bathroom has a sink and a direct door out to this awesome pool. And then we have the master bedroom, super long, plenty of space for a California king, an Alaskan king, overlooking your beautiful preserve, super private lot here, this estate lot. Check out these decorated windows above the master bed, and then you have this really high ceilings and a tray ceiling. So these ceilings are 12 feet high. You have two walk-in closets, one to the right, one to the left. Very convenient. Double sinks, room and shower, separate room and bath, and then a separate shower, and then your commode over here. And I'm gonna get this done in 4 minutes. Here we go, guys. Schedule your showing if you want to see this and do it in less than 4 minutes. And now I'm going to go down to this wing of the house to the left. Show you the other bedroom since we're in bedroom mode. But on the way to the bedroom, you see here we do have an area that's like an office. You also have the laundry room that goes to one of the other 2-car garages. And then upstairs is the loft. We'll do that next. So to the left, we have one of the bedrooms. And they do share a bathroom here with a tub. And you can see here, separate doors. We'll go right on straight through. Another bedroom closet. There we go. All right, now we've seen 3 bedrooms. The master is one side of the home. Then we have 2, on the other side of the home, 2 more bedrooms with closets. The 2-car garage, homework area, bill area. And now we're gonna buzz upstairs. Oh man, get my workout in. Did some miles this morning to cycle. All right, check this out. One of my favorite rooms. Got a ping pong table. You can see here the preserve and the lake. You can barely get a peekaboo view, but you can take this down. There's pepper trees. Air hockey. And then a whole nother area where you can set up your couch or an office. Another bedroom. Whatever you'd like. All right, 2:37. Let's go downstairs. I'm gonna have this done in 4 minutes. If I don't, you get a gift card. All right, so as you walk back downstairs from your dining room, which is very open and high, look at the tray ceilings, you have your built-in oven, updated cabinets, beautiful island, walk-in pantry, flat top cooktop, microwave, all stainless appliances. Really nice bar here. You can see there's 4 bar stools. And then eating kitchen, which overlooks your pool. Great place to have breakfast. Nice high window, still very private, but that's all the natural light in. This home has a lot of natural light. If you like natural light, this is a beautiful property. Lots of space. And their ensuite over here with a separate closet, very private again, and a shower and a tub with another separate access door from this area. Okay, now that I've shown you everything upstairs, downstairs, there's plenty of doors to go through and around. Here we go. Imagine having breakfast and then taking a dive in your crystal clear, beautiful pool. This deck was just repainted. Got an awesome pool here. We'll do a quick walk around. The steps on that side. Covered area with your gas grill, cooktop. Got a door to the pool bath. You have a door to the main living area. You have a door to your kitchen. And triple sliders that go into the family room, and then another door that goes out to the property here from the back of this porch. So thanks for tuning in. My number's below. I think I beat the 5 minutes. We'll call it a 5-minute video, 4 to 5 minutes. And if you have any questions, call me. We can get everything sent over to you. We can get you scheduled here, same day appointments, no problem. Give me an hour's notice. Numbers below. Again, this is Greg Claxton with Florida VIP Realty. Subscribe and like my channel. and make it a sunny day. And thanks again for tuning in.